Niger Interiors. Niger Interiors. Installation of curtains and day and night blinds at Ajah Lagos Express in Ajah. Let me show you. This is the staircase. You can see when the day and night is open and when it's closed. This is lovely. Let me show you other places. This is what we do. It's what we know how to do. You can see this is the master bedroom. Very lovely and unique. Niger Interiors. Niger Interiors. Niger Interiors. I'll take you to the children's room. Yeah, if you want this kind of thing, you can always reach us at www.nigerinterior.com for more inquiries. Yeah, Niger Interiors. This is girls' room. You know, girls always like pink color. And we use it for them here. Niger Interiors. Always ready to serve you. Just log in to www.nigerinterior.com for more inquiries. Thank you.